Let's get started now with our top story this evening. The Bihar hostage crisis has deepened and worsened. The Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has called it a helpless situation, at the same time describing both Maoists and policemen as part of the same society. This after Sub-Inspector Abhay Yadav was killed. His body has been left as at an undisclosed destination, but the Naxals who took the police officers hostage have warned that 3 other police officers will die by 11 a.m. tomorrow morning if the government does not begin discussing their demands. Key among the demands, the release of 8 arrested Maoist leaders. So should the Bihar government concede this demand? Remember, Sub-Inspector Abhay Yadav's devastated family. He has 4 children, the youngest of whom is no older than 10 years old. Alok Pandey has the story.
Maoist rebels in Bihar claim to have shot dead 1 policeman they held hostage since Sunday. Abhay Prasad Yadav was a sub-inspector with the Bihar police. He had fought in Sunday's encounter in Lakhisarai, about 150 kilometers east of Patna, but was taken hostage. Now the rebels have set a fresh deadline, 10 tomorrow morning, for the 3 others who were taken hostage. The Chief Minister, facing a huge crisis, says he's helpless. Not only that, after the news of Yadav's death, he repeated what he said a few weeks ago, that Naxals, though misled, were part of our society.
दिल्ली में मुख्यमंत्रियों का सम्मेलन हुआ था, उसमें हमने कहा था कि ये जिन्हें हम लेफ्ट विंग एक्सट्रीमिस्ट कहते हैं, वो सब हमारे समाज के ही अंग हैं, मैं कहता हूँ. तो उसी प्रकार से ये पुलिस वाले भी हमारे समाज के हैं.
Yadav is survived by his wife and 4 children. His desperate wife had appealed to the Bihar Chief Minister.
अभय यादव की पत्नी आती है, वो सब इंस्पेक्टर. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा उसके शरीर पर मांस नहीं है. अपना काम करता होगा. अभी अलग बात है कि मेरे दरवाजे पर रोना पीटना, हम एक बार मुलाकात कर चुके, सबको ढाढ़स बंधाया, क्योंकि किसी के हाथ में कुछ तो है नहीं. अगर कोई दूसरे के हाथ में है तो वो क्या करेगा, उसका फैसला हम लोग तो नहीं कर सकते.
So did the Bihar government negotiate with the Naxals? So far it's never spelled out its stand on negotiating at gunpoint. But today the Union Home Secretary is reported to have confirmed that negotiations were on. However, the state police chief denied it. Nitish's government faces the tricky question of whether it's doing enough to take on the Maoists.
In the past, Nitish Kumar has had many run-ins with Mr. P. Chidambaram, the Home Minister, on the issue of tackling Naxalism. Mr. Kumar has said time and again that he believes that a development agenda is the only way forward and that a military solution can only be the second option. In the past, he's also clearly refused to go to a meeting with the Chief Minister. He's also condemned Operation Green Hunt. But now it remains to be seen whether there will be any kind of shift in the strategy of the Bihar government.
The centre has backed the state, saying, "We are with the Bihar government. We fully support what they're doing." Sunday's encounter, in which Yadav fought, was fierce. Over 5,000 rounds were fired. The outgunned police force lost 7 men. Then it took the government a day to confirm 4 of their men had been taken hostage by the Maoists. The Maoists want security forces to be withdrawn from the area and some of the key comrades released from prison. Now, time and hope appears to be running low for the remaining 3 hostages.